YouTube, I am super excited. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bling Mom 94, and I'm back again with another unboxing. I'm half and half today. How you like? Me like old school Wiz Khalifa vibes when he had that like one blonde patch, even though this is half and half. But I just wanted to bring back the early 2000s, mid 2000s when this was coming out. Like, might have been mid 2000s because I feel like I was like in middle school, high school, around when girls was really chopping their hair in half with the color. So yes, like I hope y'all like it. I want to get into this Victoria's Secret review. I ordered a couple of things, and yes, we're gonna get all the way into it. Of course, this is how it came packaged. Ooh, without showing my address. Yep, everything is just in here. First thing out, I did buy a sweatshirt set. This is the pants. Now I wear a size 16. Victoria's Secret stuff, as the years has went on, like their stuff used to be super small, I think more so true to size, but now, you know, they're varietized, giving a variety to their sizes, I think. So Victoria's Secret has ran up. I don't think everything is true to size anymore. Stuff really runs big. I'm a size 16, either between a 15 and 16 in the hips. So I go with extra large pants, everyday lounge joggers, and they're just this really pretty. It got that material that feel like that glittery feel, but not anything that's gonna come off. But yes, it just says pink. This is the butt, so this will be on the butt. And it's just a gray hoodie with the same pink design here, along with pink on the back. So that's gonna be super cute to wear. That was all the clothing I got. I really got other stuff, like I like khakis and I like perfumes and trinkets. So that's more so what I got in this order. The next thing, I did get this item free, the V Quilted perfume pouch. So you're supposed to be able just to carry your perfume in this, but of course I'm probably not gonna do that. So just pretty much like a, oh, it's cute. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting this because like I said, this was a free item. So yes, this is supposed to be like a perfume pouch, but this is too cute. This is too cute. Look, and this detaches. I got the little lobster clasp here, and then the little drawstring just to make it tighter, like so, and you can just carry it on your wrist, which how do they got this as like a little perfume thing, but you could carry it as like a wristlet? Like that's a little, I don't know, whatever. But this is so cute. Like this is really quality. It feels super good. It just has that Victoria's Secret logo, no feet or anything. So yeah, super cute. You could probably fit like your phone, lip glosses, yeah, some little stuff. This order I had sitting for a while, and it didn't come before Valentine's Day, so all little kids exit out because this is for the grown women. These guys, this kept popping up on my Facebook. These are just like the heart-shaped toys. Aren't these so freaking sexy? Look, you know, the little G-string, and then this is supposed to cover up your sleeve. This is so sexy. Okay, I love it. And these are in the size extra large because like I said, I would say all bottoms are more so true to size, but the tops for sure are, they always run big. Get a medium, damn near small in all Victoria's Secret tops. Like this stuff runs super big, and I know I'm not the only one that noticed that, right? Keychain or bag charm, whatever you want to use it as. This is how it came packaged. Super cute. I don't know if I want to put this on my keychain or on a bag yet, but yes, it just comes with the pretty pink logo, super cute with gold logo V there, or bag charm, whichever you want to use it for. So this is like a collage, like a super cute gold Victoria's Secret tag there. It has like cute Victoria's Secret purse, a perfume bottle, and that logo. And I did get some stuff I didn't need because Bath and Body Works takes care of me. Okay, I like fresh. I like fruity. I like girly scents. So I had this before a long time ago. This is an old scent, I want to say. If this is the one, if I bought the right one. Oh yeah. Oh my god. So, oh my god. It smells so good. Oh my god. Y'all, this smells so good. I cannot. This is, y'all pick this up. If you are a fruity girl like this smells so good. You like cucumber melon from Bath and Body Works? I'm not gonna say this is cucumber melon, but it's a melon smell. Take the cucumber out and add pear. But the pear is not like that nasty ass pear. It's not pear, like funky pear. This is like pear melon. So it's, oh my god. Y'all, I'm putting this on after this video. I'll get in the shower. Like, this is such a fresh scent, and yes, you will love this. I wouldn't lie to y'all. Like, just try it and let me know in the comments. I'm trying to tell y'all. Ooh la la on the back, and yes, it is all luscious. Ooh la la. Alright, you also get this 20% off. I don't know, it might have been during the time. Like I said, this order is old. Like, I've been waiting to record a video, but I've been just a little busy. So yes, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh my god, y'all, how many subscribers do I have? Let me check. Because y'all been rocking with me, like, y'all been rocking with me, and I appreciate it so freaking much. Favorite number, my birthday is 11/11. 111 subscribers. Small but big in my heart. And I hope you guys just stick around with me and watch me grow, like, because that's all I'm gonna do is elevate. And I'm definitely gonna take y'all with me. Like, this is something I always wanted to do. We in there like swimwear. I'm with y'all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and the smoke.